looks delicious, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm going to do a really quick video here on what I know about fiberglass insulation. Wear a dust mask, wear gloves, because this is what I use for the walls here, and I'm going to explain a few things that I found out in the process, and some stuff that I've known for a really long time. At the end, I'm going to tell you what I found out financially about this, how you get this much cheaper than just buying it the standard way at the store. All right, so be sure to chime in with your comments on it as we go here, and look forward to hear what you guys have to say. So anyway, here's the video. Okay, here we are. I've just put the insulation in the walls of the shop. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown about what I know about this batted fiberglass insulation. First off, when you put it in there, you're going to want to make sure that you cut it to size. Do not jam it in there and crumple it all up, because that does not work. Do not crumple it up and put it in around the windows, because that does virtually nothing. Use the expanding foam insulation for around the windows and the doors. Okay, when you're handling it, make sure you have glasses on, because you could be prone to touching your eyes. If you get fiberglass on there, you're going to have a very bad time with that. Wear a dust mask, wear gloves. You know, it's an irritant of your skin, so just keep that in mind when you're doing it. Okay, so for electrical boxes, I'm not going to worry about it right now because this is just the shop, but if this was the house, I would put the plastic around there that you can buy at the hardware store. So I'm going to put the vapor barrier on this, which I'm not going to show you because that's boring too, but basically I just got to put plastic on the whole wall before I put the drywall up. And this is not used anymore typically in attics because it's just inefficient to use it. It's actually probably more expensive than the blown-in stuff. So I'm just going to put all the OSB on the ceiling, which we'll show you down the road, and then I'll just blow the insulation. And so this is mainly for walls now. Okay, so there's another kind of batted insulation. It's made of wool. In Canada, it's called Roxol. You don't know what it's called in the States. But anyway, the one that we have in Canada, it's probably very similar. And I'm an internet installer, and I'll tell you that in Wi-Fi situations, it really works like a Faraday cage. There's some sort of metal inside the wool insulation. Wi-Fi will go through the fiberglass perfectly fine, but it does not like to go through the Roxol. So just keep that in mind, especially if you're going to insulate your floors in your house or whatever. And I'm not saying don't use that insulation because it's really good. I'm just saying you might want to get a mesh system to make your internet work better. Okay, now having said all that, the biggest thing that I found when doing the research into buying the materials was that if you buy it in a roll like this, it's 30% cheaper than buying it in the pre-made bats. The bats being basically 2 would go in each opening. So it is a little easier to use the bats, but not 30% easier. This is a lot cheaper, so just keep that in mind. So be sure to like and subscribe and help us grow the channel. And if you like woodworking, we're going to have a video up there for our woodworking channel. So leave us a comment if you got anything to add, questions. Did I say something wrong? Did I not know what I'm talking about? Just put that in the comments. All right, thank you. Have a good day.